Hello, Algebra 2 students. For Miss Bell, I'm looking at her quiz today over solving systems and the three methods of solving systems. And I would tell you what those three systems are, but they're in number one, so I'm going to just provide the accommodations here for you. This is going to be out of order. What happens on quizzes is that it jumbles up the order. For those of you that are taking this online, and so you'll have to kind of jump around and look for these questions as we go through. Sorry that I can't read it the same way that yours is. It's just the way that the quiz is set up is how it's set up. So here we go. If you find this one, number one, and I think they keep the same numbers, but they just jumble all the questions up. So number one says you can solve systems using these methods: A, graphing, substitution, and elimination; B, rearranging, thinking, and guessing; or C, only by graphing. 2, if you were to graph the equation y equals 2x minus 3, how would you begin? A, by going up 2 and over 1. B, by placing a point at -3 on the y-axis. C, by going down 2 and over 3. Or D, by going up 2 and over 3. Number 3, which method may be the fastest if both equations are in standard form and the x and the y's lined up? Would that be A, graphing, B, substitution, or C, elimination? 4, what is the solution to the system? Where do the two lines intersect? And you have your choices A, B, and C, and D. Number 5, solve by elimination, and it looks like there is a change. We have x plus 9y equals 8, and you have negative 6x minus 9y equals negative 3. What is the x value of your solution? You have your choices in A, C, and B, and D. Number 6. This system has what solutions? No solutions, one solution, two solutions, or infinitely many solutions. You have a couple parallel lines there. Number 7, what is the value of y in the following system? And we have y equals 2x plus 9, and you have x equals negative 3. So what would the value of y be? A, negative 33, C, 3, B, 8, or D, negative 3. Number 8, what is the solution of the following system? We have y equals x plus 1, and we have 2x minus 3 equals y. So you just substitute this value in for y and solve for x. Once you figure out x, plug that back into here and solve for y. So you have your choices in A and C and B and D. And hopefully you're slowing this down, pausing it, rewinding it, listening to what I said again for any of those clarifications. Here we have negative 4x plus 2y equals negative 30, and 4x plus 8y equals 20. Which variable will be eliminated if you were to solve the system using elimination? Would it be the x, the z, the y, or the unknown? And lastly, number 10, we have what is the solution of the system, and use the graph. So you have this system of equations. Would it be A, C, B, or D? And right there it says y equals. So I would set these two equal to each other because they're going to be the same. So you get your x value. Once you get your x value, take that value in and plug it back in for your x, and figure out what your y value is. And you could do it to either one, you'd get the same answer. Okay, hopefully this helps. Good luck.